Instructional Design with top supporting resources. Implementing Blended Learning with Station Rotation by Nellie Roldan. Subject, Level of Instruction, and Intended Audience. The subject, SLA, Spanish Language Art. Level of Instruction, 2nd grade, audience, students and bilingual teachers. The current standard that students are learning in each course or grade is Texas Essential Knowledge and Skills, TEKS. The standards are adopted by the Board of Education of Texas. My course is based on CBE, Competency-Based Education, and OBE, Outcome-Based Education. I find that the best approach to the course is for students to first gain practical knowledge and then be able to explore the content in a more fun way on their own time. But on the other hand, it will be the students who determine their pace developed in a significant learning environment where you give your learners choice, ownership, and voice through authentic learning opportunities. See SLE plus COVA. Blended learning is a design approach that helps and facilitates student support and understanding. The goal is to provide data showing how course design and use of technology enables students and teachers to achieve goals independently through collaborative learning in person or online. Will help summatively evaluate the standards and achievements obtained at the end of each week within the designed program. Through formative assessment, we will obtain evidence of the understanding and skills that the student has acquired. Students will be able to self-assess and determine their understanding using a variety of questions and strategies previously taught. My ultimate goal is for students to reach a deep level of learning. Therefore, the main advantage that I see in this course is that students, families, and anyone who takes it can learn in a simple and orderly way to reach a deep level of learning. When we refer to educational terms, having control is the simple way of saying that students have control in regulating their learning. However, teachers as facilitators offer them to determine their pace developed in a meaningful learning environment, giving them choice, ownership, and voice through authentic learning opportunities. See SLE plus COVA, thus exercising their possibility and discretion over the sequence, pace, and amount of information they can process. It also means having the scope to choose appropriate strategies to manipulate the cognitive processing demands within a lesson. The goal of this unit is to engage students in deep, critical thinking in reading fiction and mystery genres, which are designed to support close and inferential reading. Fiction and mysteries books are a great way to teach students fundamental skills that are at the core of engaging reading. Students have the opportunity to do the work necessary to grasp the essence of the mystery, following ideas in their texts, seeing cause and effect relationships, and predicting outcomes. And, of course, mysteries naturally lead children to infer, find clues, wonder more about them, find the relationship between the chapters and how to carry information from one chapter to another, and find the truth that the characters say. Foundation. Identify the main plot or sequence of events that make up your story. In typical fiction and mystery books, including common characters and plot structure. Application. Students will create a serial box/character showing character traits, changes over time, pictures, and character thoughts. Use evidence from the text to support your claims. Or read and respond to chapter book mysteries independently. Integration. Interactive read aloud. What readers of mysteries do. Students acquire the skill to collect information from texts by rereading and writing down. Human dimensions. Students transfer what they learn about mysteries to other types of fiction. Caring. The learner will identify and evaluate other groups' proposed designs and justify their chosen books. Learning how to learn. The learner will utilize a collective reading aloud to select culturally and experientially meaningful text, while 3rd graders teach 2nd graders all they have learned about reading fiction. Week 1. Reading Workshop Notebook, Mystery, Students can. Monday, identify the components of mystery and plot elements. Tuesday, use context clues to figure out unfamiliar words and mysteries. Wednesday, the components of a mystery and find key ideas. Thursday, make a prediction using text evidence. Friday, show what I know about mysteries by taking a mystery quiz. Week 2, Monday. Determine the use of the first and third person in the story. Tuesday, identify the story structure the author uses in a text. Wednesday, make connections between texts I have read. Thursday, make connections between texts I have read. Friday, confirm my predictions and make inferences while reading a book. Week 3. Monday, create mental images based on the descriptive language the author uses. Tuesday, look in different mystery books or fiction examples of descriptive language. Wednesday, create mental images based on the descriptive language the author uses. Thursday, discuss how text features are used by an author in a book. Week 4. Read Brave Irene. Monday, use the story elements to understand the structure of the book. Tuesday, determine if the setting is causing the problem and how the character chooses to solve it. Read The Recess Queen. Wednesday, determines the theme of the story. Thursday, determine how character relationships cause the problem. Friday, identify the solution and how the characters solve the problem. Week 5. Read Lily's Purple Plastic Purse. Monday, identify the external traits of the character. Tuesday, identify the internal traits of the character. Wednesday, review reading skills previously taught. Thursday, make a character story map. Friday, I can identify and describe the main character of my book. Thank you.